morning, cyclists. Today is Saturday, April 9th, 2022. Started a bike ride at 14 minutes after 10. I paused the tour of the Basque Country race until I get back. I'm riding the Cervelo Caledonia Rival AXS bike. Today's weather, 71 degrees, fair, no clouds that I can see. Wind is modest from the south at 5 miles an hour. Much less than the last couple days. Today's route's going to be the usual Saturday, south through Atascocita to FM 1960, then to across Lake Houston, south on Fair Lake Lane, Old Atascocita Road east to FM 2100, north to FM 1960, then back to the west, then south through Walden, and then back north. Hopefully I get to see some other cyclists today. I saw something last Saturday because I was on the Zune education expedition in Alvin last week. Azaleas. I'm riding east on Rocky Woods at King's Horst. So far this week I've biked 172 plus miles, so today I need to ride 28 miles to make it a 200-mile week. This route should do it. Town Center Park at Kingwood. A bunch of tents, merchants set up. There's two cyclists. They're riding north on West Lake Houston Parkway. I'm getting ready to go over the San Jacinto River, headed south. I'm riding east on the Atascocita shores on my way to FM 1960. Riding east through the freshly poured concrete at Atascocita Shores in FM 1960. Across the lake. I just turned on to Fair Lake Lane. That truck that I was showing is the paint stripe, put the stripes down on the road. They've got the markers down. Now they need to put the official paint. Car at the church parking lot. It does have a bike rack, so there might be a biker out on the roads. I am reaching or pulling up to FM 2100 on Old Atascocita Road. I'm going to go cross FM 2100, go down a couple tenths of a mile, turn around, come back, and then go north on FM 2100. These two flags give an indication of the wind. Not too strong from the south. I'm going to be heading, make a U-turn here and head west, back to FM 2100.